Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is RJ Monica. Welcome to the home photoshoot series of this quarantine edition. I know many of you are wondering why am I wearing this much makeup for a home photoshoot. I'm just having this because I shot another video for IGTV, like a makeup tutorial. If you're following me in Instagram, you would know that. If you're not following me in Instagram, that's no problem. You can follow me and leaving the link in the description. I was not ready for this home photoshoot series because the home in which I was quarantined has a very little space and it has no photoshoot options at all. But I am in my native now. As I told you earlier, I mentioned that in Instagram, and one of our Instagram follower gave me the idea of this home photoshoot series, and this home has got a lot of options for photoshoot. Okay, such a big intro, so let us go into the videos directly. But before going into the video, do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more such videos. Without any delay, we'll get started. For the first shoot, I'm here at my terrace. I have some ideas for this terrace photography. I'm going to work on it. I'm very excited to try all that. It is around 5 o'clock right now. This is considered to be the golden hour for photography. So I'm very excited to shoot photographs now. For this terrace photography, the main thing is you have to set the phone as if the sky is going to be a background. So I have set it with a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, you can place the phone in a slanting way and then you can just click the photos. You can use timer to click those photos. I have taken 2 poses with the sky as a background and the third one with this sunset background. It is quite easy to take all this photo by your own. And now this is the final output. The next photography is with a fridge at your home. For this photo, you have to switch off all the light. I've used only the fridge light for the photo so that it will give you a very warmth effect. You can use any props in the fridge. I have used this tomato and also the dairy milk to pose. I'm posing with Milkmaid as if I'm stealing it and eating, kind of a naughty pose which turned out so good. I use Adobe Lightroom and Snapseed for editing. I'm planning to post a video for editing photos also. Soon I'll be doing that in my channel. Okay, now let's move to the third photo option, is with the flashlight. For this photography, I have placed my phone in a tripod. So I have rolled up a paper and attached with the flashlight so that it will give you a very round spotlight kind of thing. And I sat and posed for a while and I got amazing photos. A good tip for this photo option is you have to wear something very dark, that is kind of a black or dark blue, so that your face will pop out in that spotlight. And this is the final output. Okay, we'll move on to the next photography option. It is with a staircase. I have this beautiful spiral stairs at my home so that it was very comfortable for me to shoot it. I placed the ring light at the top with the phone on it and I set the timer and I started posing. You can also try this photo option with the normal stairs, where you can place the camera at the bottom of the stairs or at the top of the stairs and start posing by sitting or standing, so that you will get a very good angled photographs. Now the last and the final one is low light photography. For this you have to switch off all the lights and you can switch on your disco lights. If you don't have a disco light or your disco light doesn't have that much depth, you can do this with your TV. There are many options for disco lights in YouTube. You can take one of the video and you can just play it. Just play the video and the colors will keep on changing and you start posing. Just set the phone somewhere and then you start posing. Make sure you take as many photographs you can so that you will get each pose in each color and you will have many options to choose the best color and edit it. This kind of images will take your Instagram feed to the next level. like it, give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe my channel for more such videos. Do follow me on Instagram also. I have to thank YouTube for these wonderful photo ideas. I just grabbed some ideas from other YouTube creators and I put on an effort to do it and recreate it at my home. I hope you loved it and felt entertaining. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies. Bye!